Hi friends, this is Bijita. Welcome to my channel once again. Today in this video I'll teach you how to create a house bank and what is the concept of the same. Now what is a house bank? A house bank is such an entity in SAP wherein we keep our money. A company keeps its money and does the transaction thereon. And that entity, that house bank needs to be assigned with a bank GL so that uh, it can work as a real bank. So this is the concept of a house bank. Now in order to this is the concept of a house bank and this is the mechanism of a house bank. And in order to create a house bank, you also it is also required to create a bank key. So how to create them? I have to go to FI12 in order to create a house bank. Now it is asking for the company code. It is given and I'm pressing enter, going inside. These two house bank is already been created, HSBC and SBI. Both were created by me. Now I'll create a fresh house bank in order to show you how to create a house bank. Now I'm creating a house bank as a city house bank. City bank would be my house bank. I have given the name as city. Now see here a create option is there and bank country bank key means I have to create a bank key and that I need to assign against the house bank. This is the mechanism. So I'll create a bank key here. My country would be Netherlands. Bank key. Let me assume my bank key would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9. This would be my bank key. Now I'm just clicking on the create button. Is longer than 5 okay, so that means my uh, bank needs to be my bank key needs to be created within 5 character as per the NL guidelines, means Netherlands guideline. So I'm clicking on the create button. Up, see this box has opened up. Here I need to fill up the form and thus my bank key 12347 would be created and would be assigned with my house bank city. Now what is the concept of bank key? See, bank key is nothing but another master data wherein wherein I will keep such informations like where it belongs to, the address, and also the main important point is the sweep code. That sweep code needs to be assigned here in the bank key, and that bank key itself will be assigned with my house bank. That means house bank is content with the bank key and bank key is content with the swift code, and they both are tagged with each other. And finally against the house bank I'll keep my GL account assigned. So this is the mechanism of house bank and the bank key. I'm giving the bank name Citibank. City, say Amsterdam. Amsterdam. Swift code. Let me put something. I'm just pressing enter. Swift code must be length between 8 to 11. Okay. Just pressing enter. So first 4 character would be letters. Okay, perfect. NLC. Perfectly fine. It is accepting. So my bank key got created with the required informations like bank name, bank address, and the SWIFT code. Okay, no matter. Okay, that got perfectly created. Now if I want to change the bank key, I can click on the change option and I can modify as per my requirement. So perfectly fine. Now see, this is my house bank created with the bank key. Now I'll go inside the bank account folder and I'll give my GL account here. Now one account ID also needs to be given here. that account ID can be given as per my wish, and that is also a identity of a house bank. Now I have given account ID is city as per my wish. Description I'm putting in Citibank, and obviously currency would be euro. And see, bank account number. Bank account number means the account number which is mentioned in your passbook, or which is the bank account number. If you go to net banking, if you log in, then there is an account number being shown, that is the unique identification number of a customer, which is the bank account number that is to be given here. I'm giving something city 1 2 3 4 5 6, and here the GL account needs to be mapped. I'm fetching my GL account. You can create a fresh GL account of your newly created house bank, and then you can map here. Bank, this is my bank account. I'm assigning this here. Now I'll just save. A numeric entry is expected. Okay, the bank account number would be numeric, and this is absolutely correct. Bank account number generally is should be numeric only. Specify bank account within 10. Okay, the bank account number would be 10 digit number. 1 2 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Why it is not valid? Why it is not valid? Yes, I am giving the bank account number. Yes, this bank account number has got accepted by the system. Now I am saving. Thus my house bank will be created. Yes, it is asking for the transport request number. I'll be saving it. It is taking a bit time. Yes, got saved. Now I'll come back and I'll display here. Yes, this is my house bank. Bank account is been shown. Bank account ID has been shown. House bank name is been shown. I'll go inside the bank account. This is my information given, like bank account number, currency, description, and all. And I'll come back once again. I'll just double click on it. No, that is again coming back to the bank account folder. Yes, this is how this is the house bank master, and which is been tagged with the bank key. So what happened here? First of all, I created a house bank, against which I created another bank key, and that bank key got assigned with the house bank. Bank key contain the bank information like bank name, bank address, and the SWIFT code. And then uh, combinedly, I went to the bank account folder, and there I put the GL account number that is to be mapped with the house bank, and most importantly the bank account number itself. This is the mechanism of creating the house bank master and the bank key. I hope this lesson is very clear to you, and it should be helpful to you. If you have any query, then please put your queries in the comment section. I'll surely answer of all of your query. And I hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, then please like and subscribe my channel. Till then, thank you. Goodbye. Bye.